This dialogue is from the 1992 film Khuda Gawah. The cast included the likes of Amitabh Bachchan, Danny Denzongpa, and Sridevi, among others. Briefly, there are two warring clans in Afghanistan. One is led by Badshah Khan and with his close aide, Danny Denzongpa, and the other clan is led by Benazir or Sridevi. And Badshah Khan falls in love with Sridevi, and Sridevi says, that is, Amitabh Bachchan falls in love with Sridevi. And Sridevi says, you need to get the head of my father's murderer from India if you want to marry me. That's the condition she puts. Amitabh immediately agrees, gets onto his horse and decides to leave for India. So his friend Danny is distraught. He says, what are you doing? You're riding into the valley of death, literally into the valley of death. He says, come on, let's just hug. Give me your blessings. Give me your best wishes. He says, you are going into the valley of death and you want me to wish you well? Don't be silly. And that's when this dialogue comes. सोच गहरी हो जाए तो फैसले कमजोर हो जाते हैं. Analysis paralysis, as we call it, overthinking, as we call it. The more you think, the more you agonize, the more difficult decision making happens. That's why, if you remember, ancient Romans, when they went to attack some place, they used to burn the bridges. They used to burn the boats also, so that no amount of intellectual thinking later could say, okay, there's a good chance, let's run back, rush back. It's called burning bridges. Burning bridges, still idiomatic proverbial usage in English today. So that was something that they used to do because they realized that if you start thinking, decision making will become very, very weak. In fact, there was a movie, Narendra Modi, in which Vivek Oberoi played the role of Narendra Modi. And he tells the character played by Ratan Tata, Tata साहब जो फैसले एक मिनट में ना हो वो फैसले ही नहीं होते. So sometimes major decisions are taken in a huff. Not a very good thing when you're leading a country, but if you're not leading a country, I think sometimes you have to make that balance between a very thought through, deliberated decision and an on the spot decision. I had a boss, whenever we used to present analytics and something was, यार मैं ना गट पे फैसला करता हूँ. Thank goodness such leaders are no longer there in the industry. गट पे फैसला करता हूँ. So this dialogue basically talks to that. Anybody who's taking too much time to decide, you can use this line by Badshah Khan, that is Amitabh Bachchan. This dialogue comes exactly 21 minutes into the movie. So the timestamp that you have to look for is 21. It's available in YouTube freely. So you can watch it on YouTube. Exactly at 21 minutes, this dialogue comes. सोच गहरी हो जाए तो फैसले कमज़ोर हो जाते हैं. सोच को बहुत ज़्यादा गहरी मत होने दो, बट बिल्कुल शैलो भी मत रखो. एज इकबाल सेड, अच्छा है दिल के पास रहे पास बान अक्ल, लेकिन कभी कभी से तन्हा भी छोड़ दे. बट द फर्स्ट लाइन से, अच्छा है दिल के पास रहे पास बान अक्ल. पास बान इज सेंट्री, guard, security guard. So your brain should constantly guard your heart. Sometimes let it go free, not always. Some people let it go always free. That is very dangerous.